It is not what you eat in between Christmas and New Year that matters. It is what you eat in between New Year up until Christmas. I would just like to reassure people who's trying to manage their weight. Kasi I know all too well na marami sa inyo is praning. Do not deprive yourselves too much, guys, okay? Eat that fruitcake. Drink that wine. I always tell people that there are 12 months in 1 year. Now, if you are consistent with fitness for 11 months, kahit for 1 month pa, mag-relax tayo, mag-enjoy naman tayo, no? People around the world are celebrating Christmas. Tapos ikaw, pigil na pigil ka dyan kasi takot kang manaba. What use is being fit and healthy if you cannot enjoy life? So enjoy natin ang Christmas break para pagdating ng January, no regrets. Full focus ulit tayo sa fitness. Another 11 months. And I do hope that you will hit your goals this 2025. Happy New Year!